I remember this street behind me so clearly. I'm in Pacific Palisades, and 1.5 years ago it was completely different street before the fires. Let me show you the cliff, the famous cliff in Palisades that used to be full of homes. That's our beautiful ocean, and Via de la Paz is right here. It was full of homes as well. Right now we have some that are in the rebuilding stage. Contractors, trucks, delivery of materials. Everywhere you hear hammers and things being constructed. So yeah, Pacific is slowly moving forward with the rebuilding phase. Lots of plots for sale, obviously. Some current residents are rebuilding and they are staying in their homes around LA, or apartments that are covered by insurance. That's an example of one of the plots behind me, corner one for sale, and that's another one right there. Yeah, and that's Via de la Paz. I can't even describe how vivid it was, and full of life and beautiful homes, and hopefully it will be again. So yeah, I come every now and then to check on the progress. I'm a realtor in LA, and I help people with construction management advisory as well, and it's simply good to see the progress on the plots and on the area. Hopefully, gas stations, grocery stores, and everything else will be coming back as well, so that people who rebuild can comfortably live here. Yep, and these are the plots with front row ocean views. That's the second one, third one on both sides. And these are homes that are coming up. The whole foundation's already there. Gonna have beautiful ocean view. Another plot beside it, and tons of plots on the other side. And somewhere without fence. Right in front of the ocean. That one is Sophomore. Beautiful street. Whenever you are in this location in Pacific Palisades, it's gonna be great. And look at those beautiful blue skies today. So construction, the ocean in Pacific Palisades. Let's see the ocean from this side. That street is a little bit more narrow than Via de la Paz. So the view, if you're not by the ocean, gonna be a little bit more limited. But let me tell you, that corner property behind me is going to have it all. That's what the views. And there we have another corner one. Yep. Slowly but steadily, everything is coming back in Pacific Palisades. How can you not love this view? Probably camera doesn't show it that well, but it's gorgeous. And the famous cliff. Let me show you the cliff. How much you will be able to see, but it's just the ocean in front of me. Yeah, this is the prime of Pacific Palisades, you know.